Confused about firewall configuration? Let's make you a Network Plus firewall expert going from zero to hero.
We'll crush this in 3 simple steps: core fundamentals, configuring Windows Firewall, and real-world troubleshooting.
Step 1. Fundamentals. Think of network interfaces as building doors and ports as the actual locks. Firewalls? They're the strict security guards at those gates, checking policies to verify every single packet's ID.
Hosting a public web server isolated in a DMZ or screen subnet, just like a building lobby.
We group these segments into distinct security zones: trusted internal, untrusted public, and that public-facing DMZ.
The absolute golden rule is implicit deny. If a policy doesn't explicitly allow traffic, it's blocked. Period.
So, how do we allow legitimate traffic? We configure access control lists to dictate exactly who gets in.
Now, stateless firewalls inspect single packets independently, but stateful firewalls, they track the entire active connection.
On to step 2, Windows Firewall. Surprisingly, over 95% of breaches stem from bad configs, not architectural flaws.
In Windows Defender, inbound and outbound rules are super strict. You define source, destination, port, and action.
Rules process top to bottom, and the first match wins. Always put your most specific rules up top.
Avoid the lazy any rule trap. It bypasses your firewall profiles and leaves the whole network wide open.
Always enforce explicit denials, guys. Restrict that outbound traffic to only what's absolutely necessary for business.
Step 3. Troubleshooting. You set up Windows Firewall perfectly, but connections time out. Why is it failing? First, check your rule order. Then, verify if the ACL direction is inbound or outbound and review logs.
Don't forget NAT. If inbound requests fail, make sure your translated source and destination ports actually match.
Use Nmap to scan open ports and leverage hit counters to safely prune out old, unused rules.
Firewalls are never set and forget. Audit your rules quarterly to clear out bloat and maintain vital compliance.
You're now a Network Plus hero. But leave with this final thought. Who is actively watching your logs?
Over 1 million learners use ABCE learning apps to pass IT exams. Find us in the bio.